Potato farming in Hazara KPK, Pakistan. Potato farming holds immense importance in the Hazara's agricultural sector due to various factors. Firstly, potatoes are a staple food for millions of Pakistanis, making it a crucial crop for ensuring food security in the region. Secondly, the crop has a relatively short growing season, which allows farmers in Hazara to cultivate multiple crops in a year, increasing their overall agricultural productivity. Furthermore, potatoes are versatile in culinary use, and their demand extends to the processing industry, where they are used to make chips, fries, and other processed potato products. This demand for processed potatoes creates additional economic opportunities for potato farmers in Hazara. The cultivation process involves several key stages. It begins with a land preparation, where farmers plow and level the fields to create suitable environment for planting. Hazara's soil is well suited for potato cultivation, as it is rich in nutrients and drainage is usually adequate. Next, farmers select high-quality potato seeds, which are either sourced locally or from reputable suppliers. The selected seeds are cut into smaller pieces, ensuring that each piece contains an eye that will sprout into a new plant. These seed pieces are allowed to dry before planting. Planting takes place usually in early spring, when the weather is favorable for growth. Farmers plant the seed pieces at a specific depth and spacing, allowing sufficient room for the potato plants to develop. Throughout the growing season, farmers must provide adequate irrigation and nutrients to support healthy plant growth. Hazara's access to irrigation from water and canals ensures a consistent water supply for the crops. Challenges faced by farmers include weather variability. Hazara's weather can be unpredictable, with fluctuations in temperature and rainfall affecting crop yields. Pests and diseases. Potato crops are susceptible to various pests and diseases, such as potato beetles, blight, and viruses, which can lead to significant loss if not managed effectively. Market price fluctuations. The prices of potatoes in the market can be volatile, leading to uncertainty for farmers about their income. Limited access to technology. Some farmers in Hazara may face difficulties in adopting modern agricultural practices. Potato farming has a considerable economic impact on Hazara. The region's agricultural sector heavily relies on potato cultivation, providing employment opportunities for a significant portion of the population. The income generated from potato farming contributes to improving the livelihoods of rural communities in Hazara. Pakistan's potato export also contributes to foreign exchange earnings, strengthening the national economy. In conclusion, potato farming in Hazara KPK plays a crucial role in ensuring food security, creating employment, and boosting the economy. Despite facing challenges such as weather variability and pest management, farmers continue to cultivate this valuable crop. As the agricultural sector evolves, providing support to potato farmers through access to modern technologies, agricultural practices, and market information will enhance the productivity and sustainability of potato farming in Hazara.